Hi Bean Beauties, welcome back. I have another Mz Wallace unbagging from shopgoodwill.com. So this is my third one. So this makes a collection now. I told you I had those collectors tendencies, but I had a feeling these were going to be good and I just couldn't pass up. And this one's a really pretty color. At least it came off on the website as a pretty color. I have two other videos, so hopefully y'all have, if you haven't seen those, you can go watch those. But this is a olive green color, and it's the same satchel purse as that black one that I unbagged not too long ago. Oh yeah, yes. This one didn't have as much of the, it didn't have the crossbody. It's missing the, I think the crossbody. Yes, it's missing the crossbody strap to it. So that's a real bummer, but I could figure something out. I probably can use the other strap because these straps look, are they green or black? Oh, they're black. So I bet you I can use the one from the black bags. See, here's the straps are black, and it's just like that other bag. This is Mz Wallace. It just says nylon olive green, green and black leather trim shoulder bag. So it's a great shoulder bag. It's you know, comes up, it has the way that it's, the diameters of the loops here fit very well on my shoulders, very well. So and the crossbody bag will help. So this has more of a maroon ruby type of a dark red lining. Here's the back pocket. Here's the front pocket. So this is one whole pocket and these are two small pockets. So here's the pocket here, and here's a small pocket here. This one also too is very clean. So this one I picked up for only $19.99. I mean, that's great. There, I mean, it's missing the shoulder strap, but luckily I have the black one with the other black one. So here's the front, here's the back, here's the side, and it has these great pockets here that fit the water bottles perfectly. I wonder if this was the diaper bag. Was this a diaper bag one? I don't know, but for me it's great. It has tons of pockets on the inside. Here is the little leash for the keys, and look, it came with the penny. That's good luck. My husband's family, I think I've told y'all before that whenever they give wallets or purses or anything like that, but especially wallets, they always make sure that they put some money in there. So they always put $1 in there, or $5, $10 or whatever, because it's bad luck to give a purse or a wallet without any money, especially a wallet because it holds money. So there's the inside right there. Has the same setup as the other one. It has the big slot pocket here, and then inside the slot pocket it has two small pockets there, and it has six slot pockets here layered, 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and then it has the big empty hole. It's kind of like a bucket bag, but it's a shoulder bag. This one also too, very clean, has no smell, like maybe a little bit of a makeup smell, like that's happened before, where they keep their makeup in, but like very, very faint. It'll go away. Very clean. I hardly even see any like little crumbs or anything. I always shake them off and try to wipe them down. But it has the great bottom as well, like the other one. Has the Mz Wallace logo here. Has the 4 feet, and they do the feet in the color of the canvas is what I've noticed, because the black one has black feet and this one has the olive. So this, I'm really loving the style. Really loving the style. So now I've got a collection. I have 3. I might have some more coming. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, hit that like button. You can also find me on Instagram. I do postings on Instagram, kind of more up to date of what I'm on bag of the day and stuff. And that's on Instagram. I'm Bean Beauty Bags It. And if you want to reach me by email, beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Love y'all. Bye-bye.